spots it. She spots it. Okay, let it go. Good job. There you go.
I saw that.
She's not
You
gonna
let
bite
go
you,
once
see?
the horse has it.
Yep, you let go once the horse has it. So once the horse gets it, then you want to hold.
Hold it up high.
Hold it up high. Yeah, you gotta get closer.
Yeah, I'm scared of stuff.
You gotta get closer, otherwise you can't get it.
Can I go get another carrot?
Hold on.
Well, they only get one from each of you right now.
I'll tell you what. You come over. This is my
Good job,
She's really
Bert.
big. Hold my hand.
I'll be all scared. My turn yet. Especially since
She's a little girl.
You gotta let her chew that one up first.
I'm scared.
Why? What are you scared about?
I'm scared she'll bite me.
Why
No.
would she bite you? No, she likes grass and she likes carrots, and they're really nice. They don't bite. I promise her, Sophie, you're safe. She goes, okay, somebody else has got a carrot. I know somebody else.
Hold it up there.
Hold it up there. You gotta
Kate
get
does.
closer. Want to do it with me? And then let go. See?
That was,
How are you gonna ride it when you don't want to get that close?
it's just the eating part.
Okay. So, let's go ahead. Do me a favor.